Hey guys, today in the shop I'm going to introduce you to something that I should have done for the channel a long time ago. Stay tuned. Alright, so here it is. We got a 2003 F-250, 6 liter obviously, and finally made the decision to get a shop truck. So a lot of people have been asking me about certain repairs they want me to do and certain things they want me to show, but the problem is I've always only done videos on trucks when they come in. I get a customer that brings a vehicle in for some work, or a friend of mine that needs something done, and I have to wait for a problem to show up for me to make one of these videos. So I kind of figured the solution to that is if I just get a truck that I can just do whatever I want on. So I'm not putting parts in people's vehicles that don't need them, and I'm not waiting for somebody to have something break down just to make a video. So that's where this thing came in. And I also figured in the meantime I can make some instructional and how-to videos like I have, but I can also do some fun stuff with it. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around. I'm going to show you the truck and kind of give you an idea of what direction I'm going to go with it. And leave a comment below as we're going through, and let me know what you think, and let me know if you guys have any ideas on what you want to see. So I can already see the comments now. Nate, where'd you get such a clean truck? What are we possibly going to fix on this thing? How are you ever going to show anything on a truck that probably doesn't need any work? Well, fortunately, we got the right truck for that. So, in my opinion, almost anybody can start with a nice clean truck, or someone else's half-built project and kind of make it something cool, but this truck's a little different. This truck's going to be special. It kind of touches up on all the problems you're going to face on a 6-liter. Here in Massachusetts, we have rust to deal with. Obviously, this truck's got a ton of it, so we're going to do cab corners, rocker panels. I have a little something special I'm going to be doing with the bed, but we're definitely going to be touching up on how to do the bed rail kit. So that's one thing we're going to be coming up with soon. And the truck came in as a no start. So fortunately, this truck is 100% stock. And I think it's a good starting point for everything. And, we can do every single possible scenario you can imagine we can touch upon on this truck. So if you have anything that you want to see, questions you have on a 6-liter or a video I haven't made yet, let me know, and maybe we can get a video rolling on this truck for that. So the story behind this truck is I reached out to a friend of mine, and he buys and sells a lot of these trucks, and I asked him, hey, what do you have kicking around for a junker, just something that I can kind of do some install videos on and get a couple of how-to videos going. And he said, Nate, I have just the truck for you. And a couple weeks later, this thing got dropped off. So the biggest thing that attracted me to this truck, it's got the third pedal. So we have here a 2-wheel drive ZF6 truck, and instantly when he told me that, the light bulbs went off in my head. So my whole idea is, along with all the how-to videos and that kind of stuff, I want to make this truck a 2-wheel drive, 6-speed, short bed, regular cab drift truck. So the long bed, that's going. The rear frame section that's all rotted out, that's going. I got a nice clean frame section for it. I got a short bed that it needs a little bit of work. It needs the bed rails, and it needs some wheel arches and typical New England stuff. But I didn't want to start with anything pretty. So it's going to be a long road, but it's something that I think it'll help grow the channel, and you guys can help grow with me, and it'll be fun. But I want some input on this thing. I'm going to put up a picture, and it's going to show what my idea of what the truck should look like, and let me know what your thoughts are. So I got some pretty cool people on board. We got a IPR oil cooler kit we're going to be installing in the truck. I got a DJM Dream Beam 3.5 drop kit, and I got Bless Performance. We have a SCT that I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a video on that, and we got a couple other cool things lined up. So stay tuned. I really am looking forward to this project. I appreciate you guys hanging in there and, staying and watching all my videos and commenting. And, the comments are awesome. Keep them coming. So, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more of this project and you haven't already subscribed, maybe hit that subscribe button. And once again, guys, thanks for watching In the Shop.